Do you know that the average new car warranty expires after just 3 years or 36,000 miles? And that's when most modern vehicles start showing their true colors, requiring expensive repairs that drain your bank account faster than you can say extended warranty. But here's what the dealerships don't want you to know: there are 7 SUVs out there that laugh in the face of expiring warranties. These are vehicles so bulletproof, so incredibly reliable, that owners routinely drive them past 200,000 and even 400,000 miles without breaking a sweat. These aren't your typical modern SUVs loaded with complicated electronics and finicky turbocharged engines that fail the moment the warranty paperwork expires. These are legendary machines built on decades of proven engineering, constructed with quality that automakers seem to have forgotten how to replicate. Today, I'm revealing the 7 SUVs that you can buy with complete confidence, drive for decades, and pass down to your children without ever worrying about catastrophic mechanical failures. Let's dive into these mechanical marvels. 1. Toyota Land Cruiser. Let's start with the undisputed king of reliability, the vehicle that has earned legendary status across every continent on Earth, the Toyota Land Cruiser. This isn't just an SUV, it's a testament to what happens when engineering excellence meets uncompromising build quality. The Land Cruiser's reputation wasn't built on marketing hype or clever advertising campaigns. It was forged in the harshest environments on the planet, from the deserts of Africa to the mountains of South America, from war zones to Arctic expeditions. United Nations peacekeepers drive Land Cruisers. Remote medical teams depend on Land Cruisers. Explorers crossing continents choose Land Cruisers. When failure isn't an option and your life depends on your vehicle, you drive a Land Cruiser. The engineering philosophy behind the Land Cruiser is refreshingly simple: overbuilt everything. The frame is constructed from high-strength steel that could probably survive a nuclear blast. The suspension components are massively robust, designed to handle punishment that would destroy lesser vehicles. The drivetrain uses proven, naturally aspirated engines that have been refined over decades rather than experimental turbo technology that fails after 80,000 miles. The powertrain reliability is absolutely extraordinary. Whether you're looking at the venerable 4.7-liter V8 from earlier models or the more recent 5.7-liter V8, these engines routinely exceed 300,000 miles with nothing more than regular oil changes and basic maintenance. There are documented cases of Land Cruisers with over 600,000 miles still running strong on their original engines and transmissions. The transmission paired with these engines is equally legendary. Toyota's heavy-duty automatic transmissions are built to handle extreme loads and punishing conditions without breaking a sweat. Fluid changes at proper intervals are typically all that's needed to keep these transmissions shifting smoothly for the life of the vehicle, which in the case of a Land Cruiser might outlive you. Build quality throughout the Land Cruiser is exceptional. Panel gaps are tight and consistent. Paint quality is excellent. Interior materials are chosen for durability rather than cutting costs. Everything feels substantial and permanent, from the doors that close with a solid thunk to the controls that operate with precision, decade after decade. The Land Cruiser holds its value better than almost any vehicle on the market. 10-year-old Land Cruisers with a 150,000 miles still command premium prices because buyers know exactly what they're getting. A vehicle that will effortlessly provide another 150,000 miles of trouble-free service. 2. Lexus GX. The Lexus GX is essentially a Land Cruiser Prado wrapped in a luxury package, and that heritage shows in every aspect of its legendary reliability. This is the SUV that proves you don't have to sacrifice comfort and refinement to get bulletproof dependability. The GX shares its DNA with Toyota's most durable vehicles, built on a body-on-frame platform that's designed for longevity rather than cost-cutting efficiency. While crossovers crumble under stress and unibody SUVs develop structural problems, the GX's truck-based construction shrugs off decades of use without complaint. Under the hood sits one of the most reliable powertrains ever created, the 4.6-liter V8 that's been refined over decades of production. This naturally aspirated engine produces smooth, linear power without the complexity and failure points of turbocharged motors. Owners routinely report 250,000 to 300,000 miles without major engine work, and many GX models exceed these figures with nothing more than regular maintenance. The transmission is Toyota's bulletproof 6-speed automatic, a unit so reliable that transmission failures are almost unheard of in the GX community. Fluid changes at recommended intervals are typically all that's needed to keep this transmission operating flawlessly for the vehicle's entire lifespan. Lexus build quality is extraordinary, even by premium standards. The fit and finish throughout the GX is impeccable, with tight panel gaps, flawless paint, and interior materials that resist wear and aging. 10-year-old GX interiors often look nearly new because the leather is real, the plastics are high quality, and everything is assembled with precision and care. The suspension system is robust and durable, using proven components that can handle serious off-road use while still providing a comfortable ride for daily driving. The GX holds its value exceptionally well, often retaining 60 to 70% of its original price after 5 years. Maintenance costs are reasonable for a luxury SUV, and reliability is so strong that major repairs are rarely necessary. Free Toyota 4Runner. The Toyota 4Runner represents old-school SUV engineering at its finest, a vehicle that prioritizes durability and capability over trendy features and cutting-edge technology. This is exactly what makes it one of the most reliable SUVs you can buy. The 4Runner's body-on-frame construction immediately sets it apart from the vast majority of modern crossovers. This truck-based architecture is inherently more durable than unibody designs, able to withstand decades of use, abuse, and harsh conditions without developing the structural problems that plague car-based SUVs. The powertrain is a masterpiece of reliable engineering. The 4.0-liter V6 engine has been refined over decades of production and is known for running hundreds of thousands of miles without major issues. This naturally aspirated engine avoids the complexity and failure points of turbocharging, direct injection problems, and other modern technologies that sound great in marketing but fail in real-world use. The transmission options are equally legendary, whether equipped with the manual transmission that some models still offer or the robust automatic. These transmissions are built to Toyota's exacting standards for long-term durability. Automatic transmission fluid changes at proper intervals are typically all that's needed to keep these units shifting smoothly well past 200,000 miles. Suspension components are massively overbuilt for durability. The 4Runner's suspension is designed to handle serious off-road punishment, which means that normal road use barely stresses these components. While many modern SUVs need suspension work by 60,000 miles, 4Runner suspensions routinely last well into 6 figures without major repairs. Interior quality prioritizes durability over flash. The materials are chosen to withstand years of use and abuse rather than to impress during a brief showroom visit. This practical approach means that 4Runner interiors age gracefully, with seats, carpets, and trim pieces that resist wear and maintain their appearance over decades of use. Resale value for the 4Runner is extraordinary, often matching or exceeding that of the Land Cruiser. Used 4Runners with high mileage still command premium prices because buyers understand that these vehicles are just getting broken in at 100,000 miles. Maintenance is straightforward and affordable, with parts widely available and repairs simple enough that many owners handle basic work themselves. 4. Honda CR-V. Now let's talk about a different kind of reliability, the Honda CR-V, a compact crossover that has built an incredible reputation for dependability through smart engineering and exceptional quality control. The CR-V represents Honda's engineering philosophy at its best: lightweight, efficient, and incredibly durable. While it lacks the body-on-frame construction of Toyota's truck-based SUVs, the CR-V's unibody design is exceptionally well executed with proper reinforcement and high-quality construction that resists structural problems over time. Honda's naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engines are legendary for longevity. The non-turbo engines especially are known for routinely exceeding 250,000 miles with basic maintenance. Oil changes at proper intervals and attention to the timing chain or belt are typically all that's needed to keep these engines running forever. The transmission situation requires some attention to model year. Older CR-V models with 5-speed automatics are exceptionally reliable, while some newer CVT-equipped models have shown more issues. However, Honda has continuously improved their CVT reliability, and proper maintenance significantly reduces problems. Build quality in the CR-V is excellent, with tight panel gaps, quality paint, and interiors that resist wear remarkably well. Honda's attention to manufacturing detail means that components fit properly, don't rattle, and continue functioning properly over hundreds of thousands of miles. The suspension system, while not as overbuilt as truck-based SUVs, is properly engineered for long life. Components are adequately sized for the vehicle's weight and use, and replacement parts are affordable when eventually needed. Most CR-V owners report minimal suspension work required even past 150,000 miles. Interior durability is exceptional, with seats that resist wear, controls that continue operating smoothly over decades, and materials that maintain their appearance. Honda uses quality fabrics and plastics that don't show age as quickly as materials in competing vehicles. Fuel efficiency is excellent throughout the CR-V's life, with many owners reporting that their vehicles maintain good fuel economy even at high mileage. This efficiency, combined with Honda's reliability, makes the CR-V remarkably cheap to own and operate over the long term. Maintenance costs are very reasonable, with affordable parts and straightforward repairs. 5. Lexus RX. The Lexus RX represents luxury SUV reliability perfected, a vehicle that combines premium comfort and features with Toyota's legendary dependability. This is what happens when you take Toyota reliability and wrap it in Lexus refinement. The RX has consistently topped reliability rankings for luxury SUVs throughout its entire production history. This isn't a coincidence or clever marketing, it's the result of Toyota's engineering excellence applied to a premium product. The RX uses conservative, proven technology rather than experimental systems that fail. The powertrain options in the RX are all exceptionally reliable. The 3.5-liter V6 is one of Toyota's most proven engines, known for easily exceeding 250,000 miles with proper maintenance. The hybrid powertrain available in the RX 450h is equally impressive, with Toyota's hybrid technology representing the gold standard for durability in electrified vehicles. Battery longevity in RX hybrids consistently exceeds expectations, with many owners reporting trouble-free operation well past 200,000 miles. The transmission is Toyota's excellent 8-speed automatic in non-hybrid models, a unit known for smooth operation and exceptional reliability. Hybrid models use Toyota's planetary gear system that's proven to be virtually indestructible. These transmissions require nothing more than regular fluid changes to provide decades of trouble-free service. Build quality in the Lexus RX is absolutely exceptional. The fit and finish rivals vehicles costing twice as much, with precision assembly, quality materials, and attention to detail that ensures everything continues working properly over the long term. Panel gaps are perfect, paint quality is excellent, and the interior is assembled with care that shows in every detail. Interior materials are chosen for long-term durability and aging characteristics. The leather is real and properly treated to resist wear. The plastics are high quality and don't become brittle or faded. Controls maintain their tactile feel over hundreds of thousands of miles. This quality construction means that RX interiors often look nearly new even after a decade of use. Suspension components are properly engineered for comfort and longevity. The RX rides smoothly without sacrificing durability, and suspension work is rarely necessary before very high mileage. When repairs are eventually needed, parts are reasonably priced considering the vehicle's luxury positioning. Electrical systems are generally reliable, though newer RX models with more complex electronics have shown some issues. However, Toyota's electrical engineering is generally solid and problems are far less common than in European luxury SUVs. Most electrical components continue functioning properly over the vehicle's entire life. The sound insulation and acoustic engineering in the RX create a serene cabin environment that remains quiet even at high mileage. This quietness, combined with the smooth powertrain and comfortable ride, means that the RX driving experience doesn't degrade over time like many vehicles. Resale value for the RX is excellent, with used models commanding premium prices that reflect their reputation for reliability. Buyers are willing to pay more for used RX models because they understand that these vehicles still have many years of trouble-free service ahead of them. Maintenance costs are reasonable for a luxury SUV. While higher than economy brands, the exceptional reliability means that major repairs are rarely necessary. Many RX owners report that their biggest expenses over years of ownership are routine maintenance items and consumables, with very few unexpected repairs required. The RX appeals to buyers who want luxury and refinement without gambling on reliability. This is a vehicle that delivers premium comfort, features, and prestige backed by Toyota's legendary dependability. You're getting a luxury SUV that you can genuinely trust forever. 6. Honda Pilot. The Honda Pilot represents three-row SUV reliability done right, offering families the space they need, backed by Honda's exceptional engineering and quality control. The Pilot's unibody construction is robust and well-engineered, with proper reinforcement in critical areas and quality materials that resist corrosion and structural problems. While not body-on-frame like truck-based SUVs, the Pilot's structure is solid and durable, able to handle family duty for decades without developing the creaks, rattles, and structural issues that plague many crossovers. Honda's V6 engines in the Pilot are legendary for longevity. The 3.5-liter V6 is one of Honda's most proven power plants, regularly exceeding 250,000 miles with nothing more than regular oil changes and basic maintenance. This naturally aspirated engine avoids the complexity and problems of turbocharging, providing smooth, reliable power that doesn't degrade over time. The transmission situation in the Pilot requires attention to model years. The 9-speed automatic used in some years has shown reliability issues, while the 6-speed automatic is generally more dependable. The 10-speed automatic in the newest model shows promise but lacks the long-term track record of earlier transmissions. Buyers focused on reliability should research specific model years carefully. The all-wheel drive system uses Honda's intelligent variable torque management, a reliable system that provides good traction for winter driving and light off-road use without excessive complexity. The system requires minimal maintenance and rarely causes problems, providing adequate capability for family adventures without the cost and complexity of more sophisticated systems. Build quality is excellent throughout the Pilot, with tight assembly, quality materials, and attention to detail that ensures components continue functioning properly over time. Panel gaps are consistent, paint quality is good, and the interior is assembled with precision that prevents rattles and squeaks from developing. Interior space is genuinely useful, with all 3 rows offering real room for passengers. The second row seats are spacious and comfortable, while the third row is usable for adults on shorter trips. This practical space, combined with Honda's reputation for reliability, makes the Pilot an excellent choice for large families. Interior materials resist wear well, with seats that maintain their appearance over years of use and controls that continue operating smoothly. The cargo area is well designed with useful features like underfloor storage, and the materials can handle the abuse of family life without showing excessive wear. Suspension components are properly sized for the Pilot's weight and typical use, providing good ride quality without sacrificing durability. While not as overbuilt as truck-based SUVs, the Pilot's suspension components last well with reasonable maintenance and care. Maintenance costs are reasonable with affordable parts and straightforward repairs. Honda dealerships are common and independent mechanics are familiar with Pilot models. Most owners report minimal unexpected expenses, with maintenance consisting primarily of routine items. The Pilot appeals to families who need 3-row space backed by proven reliability. This is an SUV that delivers practical utility and dependable transportation without the size, cost, or fuel consumption of truck-based alternatives.